Key signature time!
There are many ways to determine the key signature of a major key. The method that we will discuss is called the key signature chart.
To make the chart, start with the key signature expression. The key signature expression is to determine the key signatures. This expression is, Father Charles goes down and ends battle.
We encourage you to memorize this expression because it is very useful, even in future high school music classes. Each word in the expression represents a note. Father is F, Charles is C, and so on.
Now, back to the chart. We write the letters of the expression down on a sheet of paper, like so. On either side of this expression, we need to make a column. On one side, we can label it flats. On the other side, the column can be named sharps.
How do we proceed to fill it out, you may ask? Well, we must begin by filling in something that we all should know. The most basic major key is C major. Now, does C major have any sharps or flats?
No! This is where we can begin. On either side of C, we can insert the number 0. However, there is something else that we must add. You need to know that C sharp major and C flat major both have 7 sharps and 7 flats, respectively. Therefore, on either side, you can also add the number 7.
Now your chart should look something like this. This is good. We are well on our way to completing our chart. Next, we need to fill numbers into the rest of our chart. Start on the flat side, going up from C. You can write the numbers 1 to 6 until you reach C again. Now your flat side is full.
So now we need to fill in the sharp column. Starting at C, we can start numbering 1 to 6 down until you reach C again. Please note that this is opposite from our previous column.
Now our chart is complete. But what does this mean? What good is a chart if you don't know how to use it? Let's learn.
Let's set up an example. Say you are asked to find the key signature of A major. You know that this key must have sharps in it because there is no flat indicated in the name of the key, and it is not F, the exception to the rule. Therefore, you would find A on the chart and look at the corresponding number in the sharp column. In this case, the number is 3. This means that there are 3 sharps in this key signature.
Which notes are sharp, though? For sharps, you would start at the top of the expression that you wrote in the center and count down 3 letters. So, the third letter down from the top would be G. This G is the last sharp in the key signature. This means that all of the letters above and including G are sharp notes in the key. In conclusion, A major has 3 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp.
What about a key with flats in it? Find the key signature of E flat major. You would start by locating E on the chart. You know that E flat major has flats in it. Therefore, you would go across to the flat column to find out how many flats are in this key signature. According to the chart, there are 3 flats in the key signature.
Similarly to sharps, you can use the expression in the center to determine which notes are flat. However, you must use it in the opposite direction.
Starting from the bottom of the expression, count up 3 letters. So, the third letter from the bottom should be A. This means that A is the last flat in the key signature. So, all letters below and including A are flat in the key. To conclude, E flat major has 3 flats: B flat, E flat, and A flat.
You could also look at a key signature that has, say, 5 sharps and be able to determine the name of the key. You could look down the sharp column until you see the number 5 and check the corresponding letter. The letter is the name of the key signature. In this case, the key is B major.
You now know how to use the chart to determine the key signature and names of various keys.
TTFN. Ta-ta for now.
Ah ha ha ha.
Ah.